This is Karen with WTI. Whenever I just want to relax and listen to a podcast or music, I just put on my Sony headphones and I instantly feel immersed in this world of crystal clear sound. And the noise canceling technology, oh my goodness, it really blocks out all external distractions, allows me to focus on whatever I'm listening. I really love how soft they are. It doesn't hurt my ears or my head. I can be wearing them for hours. And they do actually go over the ear. So that means that I can even wear them for a longer time. The battery usually lasts me at least 12 to 13 hours. And a big plus is that it comes with a high quality audio cable for wire use. And it also supports high resolution audio formats whenever I'm using it with wire mode. And they're so comfortable that I'll be doing anything, either reading or exercising or just simply doing my makeup. And that's our point of view.